Welcome to Crypto News, the fastest and most important cryptocurrency news. Subscribe and get likes, it's very important for my promotion, please. And now let's talk about the news. Chan Panjal, CEO of Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange today, expressed concerns about the security of stablecoins created using fiat currencies after the bankruptcy of two prominent US banks. The banks pose a risk to stablecoins backed by fiat, wrote Zhao on Twitter. One commenter said that Bitcoin's other cryptocurrencies have emerged to avoid the disruptions of the traditional financial system. If you mix cryptocurrency with fiat, you will fall into a trap, he writes. In continuing a discussion by another crypto enthusiast, suggested that the crypto industry should have stable coins backed by cryptocurrency to avoid over-reliance on fiat currencies. In response, the CEO of Binance said that the founder of the ill-fated blockchain, Doc, won the right idea but failed miserably in implementation last year. Crypto investors lost billions of dollars due to the collapse of the Terraland projects. That included a stable coin with cryptocurrency and its own service, Luna token. Just as well, two US banks that went bankrupt last week, Silicon Legends SVB with total $209 billion in assets, and Silvergate Band focused on cryptocurrency. Some stablecoin backed by fiat in the market include UST, with a market share of more than $72 billion, and SDC, with a market capitalization of nearly $39 billion, according to UST, reportedly has a reserve of more than $3 billion in distressed U.S. Silicon Bank. Binance's CEO yesterday mocked U.S. detractors as the SVB and Silvergate have become insolvent and cannot work out withdrawals by customers and not cheating us, and the banks are failing, wrote Zhao on Twitter, meaning that Binance remains strong despite the constant negative propaganda from on the part of U.S. organizations that hoped that the exchange would fail. An investigative platform, Nansen, which provides blockchain data, stated that the rate was UST returned to the $0.97 mark after token burning of nearly $3 billion. The collapse of the Silicon Bank led to an unprecedented collapse at the cost of issuing a stable coin. Circle Company, and the last 24 hours, burned nearly $650 million worth of UST dollars and issued $16.7 million the day before. The picture was similar, only on a larger scale. Burned 2.34 billion tokens and issued 366 million. Helped bring the UST back to $997 after a hard drop to 0.88. UST was one of the first victims of the collapse SVB, as the bankrupt bank was holding itself these coins, for example $3.3 billion. As a result, the UST lost its dollar exposure after the SVP News Circle assured the community that will continue standard operations pending clarification on the transfer of SVB assets to the Federal Funds Insurance Corporation (FDC) and how these actions will affect the depositors. The burning of the token issue was just one of the measures that helped continue to provide services to customers. Recall that Circle itself had previously admitted that a significant portion of UST reserves held specifically at Silicon Valley Bank. This is where we say goodbye to you. Our channel, click on the bell and also be sure to tweet your comment below the video.